Do you think the U.S. economy needs further rate cuts from here?
You know, I'm not a central banker, for sure, but, you know, I'm very worried about a period in which we have very low interest rates for such a long time, because it breeds a kind of state of mind that leads to leveraging up and a kind of vulnerability. So I acknowledge that, as I said to Romaine a minute ago, that the Fed's operating in some uncharted territory. I mean, some very important macroeconomic relationships seem to have shifted for reasons that are not completely understood. So I'm not a fan of kind of changing course and trying to prop up the economy in the short run in response to global economic conditions by lowering interest rates. I think the Fed, you know, ought to hand the ball to the fiscal authorities and others. And the reasons for that, I mean, are basically, I don't want central banks responding too much to markets and not enough to economies. So if you look at the fundamentals of the U.S. economy, even though we're slowing down a bit for obvious reasons having to do with global headwinds and the trade war, we don't need a big stimulus right now. So I'm not a fan of this.